Hey everybody and welcome back. If you'd like to fix the Instagram story music not working and you are looking out some solutions for that, today we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. The first thing we can ensure is having a proper stable internet connection because having a strong and stable Wi-Fi or cellular signal will only allow us the Instagram story feature and allow the music to be added whenever we are adding a music to our Instagram story. Also, you can restart the application. So if you're using the app, you can close the application completely and then wait for a few seconds. And once you wait for a few seconds, you can reopen the application from your Instagram application and try adding the Instagram music once again on your post or your story. Also, update your application so you can go to Play Store for that. And once you go to Play Store, you can go to the search and you can or Instagram. So you can just go over and search for Instagram. And once you search for Instagram, you can tap on this option of update if there is any kind of update available and update the application to the latest version. Also, log out and log in back again into your Instagram. So, open up Insta for that. And once you open up Insta, you can just go over to your profile in the bottom right corner and select it. And within your profile, look out for the profile option in the top right and select it, or the menu option and tap on it. And once you tap on the menu, you can look out for the logout option. You can scroll down, find the logout option and select it, and tap on logout and confirm it up, and log in back into your account and see if that fixes your issue. Apart from that, clear cache for your application, you can hold the Insta app for that and go to the info section. Once you go to the info section, you can just go over and scroll down and find the option of storage and tap on it, and look out for the clear cache option and tap on it. Also clear the data if necessary, and you can just go over and do so. And also, if that does not work, you can reinstall the application, hold the app, and look out for the uninstall option and tap on it. Install the application from your device and then download and install it again from the App Store, and that should probably fix the issue. Also, the music feature in it may not be available for all the countries due to licensing restrictions, so you can check it out. And if the feature is not available, you can try using a VPN instead. So that is it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up to fix the issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.